What is command line argument? That is the string args. So let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming Perception. This is the 9th episode of Queries and Demands and I am Amit Kumar. So today we are going to discuss what is a command line argument. Now to understand what is a command line argument, I am creating program in our BlueJ interface. So to explain the purpose, we will run the program in the command line itself. So let me first show you the program over here. So here is the program, the class is created, the main is there, string args is present over there, which is the command line argument. And what we are going to do here, you can clearly see args is nothing but an array. So I can operate this args as an array, right? So simply I will run a loop from 0 till args length, right? And whenever you are dealing with an array, make sure you don't put the parenthesis while writing the length. Okay, so I++, and here what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to print the ith index of the args array. So clearly that will explain the purpose, that will explain the need of this. So if I run this program, if I compile and run this program in BlueJ, you are not going to understand the need. So to explain you the need, I will definitely run the same program again. So if I'm running this program, see, I'm calling the main, and when I'm clicking OK, it's not doing anything. The reason is when I'm calling the main, this is the place I have to pass the string array. So let me pass an array of string over here. So here I will pass 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3 are separated by commas, and all these values are kept inside double quotes as they are string. So let me click OK. And you can see these values are printed. So what's a big deal? We are passing a value and it's being printed over there. Now to understand this, you have to run the same program with the command line. So I'm just copying this whole code from here, and I need a blank file in the notepad. I'm pasting the code and I'm going to save this file, and I have already created a place where I'm going to save the file. So let me copy the address and let me save this file at the same address. So here we will provide the name to the file. Here we have to be very careful. It should have the same name in the same case which we have given to the class in which the main method is there. So I am writing down episode _9 and the extension, that is .java. So let me click OK. Now you can clearly see at the place that there is a Java file with name episode _9. And now we can run this file. We can compile this file and we can execute this file. So let's see. Now to open command prompt, press Window R and type cmd. Now here our place is in D drive. So in D drive, in my tutorials, in programming perception, in queries and demands, there is episode 9, I think. Yes, episode 9. And there would be a program folder. So let's go there. Now inside this folder, you can see there is an episode 9.java. So let me compile this. Now to compile the file, the command is javac space the name of the file along with the extension, so .java. So it is compiled. As there is no error, it is showing us the prompt again. Now we will type the command to execute. To execute the program, we will type java and the name of the program without any extension. So it's not showing anything. Why it's not showing anything? Because we have not passed the command line arguments. So this string args that is part of the main is actually passed when we are running the program, when we are executing the program. So let me show you how we can pass this here. So when I'm running the program, I can pass that 1, 2, 3, 4, And you can see while while passing this 1, 2, 3, 4, I need not to use these string double quotes, and even I did not to use those commas, because this is command line argument. It is not just a normal parameter. It is not just a normal argument to any method. Now, what is the use of command line arguments? Command line arguments are more useful, especially in cases when we are creating command line programs. So if you are creating application for this command line interface, then only command line arguments are necessary. Then only command line arguments are important for you. Otherwise, you no need to work on it. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really like the video, put a thumbs up and leave your comments about the video. So hope to meet you in the next episode. I am Amit Kumar signing off. Thank you and happy programming.